Welcome to the Smarter Balanced Digital Library. We're going to look at a few of the filters that you can use to find resources, as well as some of those resources. We have chosen Grade 4, Mathematics, and we'll click Find Resources. This will open a new page that will display all of the resources, as well as a number of other filters, and we'll look at just a couple more of these. If you'd like to narrow by the student population, you can choose English language learners, students with disabilities, or gifted and talented students. You may also select the specific Common Core state standard or group of standards that you wish to look for. Resource type is the way that CASP separated the resources. Instructional are standalone lesson plans. So of 219 resources, there are 150 standalone lesson plans with step-by-step directions and handouts, examples, videos, audio, and other resources attached. Instructional and professional learning are templates and websites that are useful within this grade band and within this subject area. Professional learning are articles, classroom videos, and other resources specifically for teachers in this grade band. We'll look at a playlist in just a moment. And Spotlight is usually an article or a lesson plan that is being highlighted by CASP for this grade band and for this subject area. You may also narrow your searches by the formative assessment attributes that were discussed earlier in this presentation. There are several other areas for filters, but we're going to go ahead and take a look by resource type and look at the playlist that has been created for Grade 4 Math. So far there is just one on numbers and operations in Base 10, but it has a number of lessons and resources attached. A playlist will have multiple lessons that all are related to the same topic, in this case number and operation in Base 10, and a success criteria for students, and then a list of the resources with hot links to those resources, as well as the standards and what is covered in each of those resources. The first one here is a exit ticket, so it is a document, but you'll find a variety of formats. The next is the Illustrative Mathematics Fluency module, which is a complete module for all grades, including Grade 4, which includes an overview video, a discussion, and then an entire set of lesson plans with examples, student work, student handouts, and we'll take a look at a few of those as we go through. Here are some of the student handouts, an overview of a task, examples, and this continues through adding and subtracting within a million all the way through for 4th grade. So a complete teaching module within a module. The Mistake Detectives is another within this particular playlist, and it can be used as a presentation or as a handout. And when you are looking at your resources, you'll notice that you can download the resources or you can view what materials are within the resources. In this case, this piece was put together as a PowerPoint or as a PDF, and either can be downloaded. And goes through several examples of error correction, both in addition and in subtraction. And those are some examples from the Smarter Balanced Digital Library.